Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Audi A4 key battery. First, ensure you have a new CR 2032 coin cell battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to help open the key fob. This process is straightforward and will have your key working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the battery compartment. First, press the release button and pull out the mechanical key. With the key removed, you'll see a small slot or indentation on the side of the key fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot and gently twist. This action will carefully separate the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully pry it out using your screwdriver, paying attention to its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Reinsert the mechanical key. Now, test all the key's functions, like locking and unlocking your Audi A4, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.